Baja. As you can see in the Raptor. Here's our driver right here. Say,
yo, what's up, Baja 500?
Baja Update! Sorry to rip you off, Ken. But anyways,
What? Ken do that?
Yeah, Ken Block does that. But
what does he do?
He did it when he was gonna race the Baja 1000. But they all of them said Baja Update. Son, so
I know who you are.
So I'm a
How are
special
you?
person. How are you? Well,
Good.
guess what? This is a vlog on YouTube.
All right, what's up, man? I'm Jake.
Jake, yeah, this is Jake. Well, ORW here. We've been waiting a long time from the traffic. We're showing the vlog at everybody and everything. These are all the trucks. These are everything being lifted. Bronco!
Is it Baja ready?
Baja ready. Fox shocks, as you can see. Race Line Wheels, our sponsor. BF Goodrich tires. Look at this big rigid. Back tires are gonna go in. Take a look at them. That's it. Guys, we forgot to film our Raptor, but now we're leaving the San Diego store. We're going to Alcohol. There's a truck. We have made it. Baja Update! Tijuana! Baja Update! Ensenada! We're going to bed. Well, this is all we're gonna hear for tonight. So I promise, we will be back for another Baja Update.